I removed the front lights because I destroyed them. So maybe I'm going for something else. I don't know. Yeah. So here's my main switch. This way it is shut off, shut down. This is on. This is rear lights. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. This is turn signals. No, I have only the rear ones. And yeah, so it slipped here, as you can see. It's not turning anymore. So I have to find a solution, maybe making those here deeper or something to allow it to turn freely. And yeah, let's see. Turn it off. And here about the door. Sec. And the other door still have the same problem. Here are my mirrors. I know if I showed that in the previous video. So I made this kind of bracket, this rod here. This is a ball from a bearing that I had to weld here. And then this is a kind of washer. And another washer, such a huge washer. This one had a big hole and this one just a small hole. Another, the same kind of this bracket here. Pre-drilled both this bigger washer and this kind of thing here and screw them together so they push against each other, and there is the ball here in the middle, so you can turn the mirror actually the position you want. And then this is, I didn't cut of course a mirror. It's just a kind of mirror repair set that you can cut with a scissor, you know. So I made two of them, one there, one here. Rear view sucks 100%, so you can't complain about that. Yeah, it's pretty bad, but you have mirrors and they are handmade. If you can't build your own mirrors, so of course you can't build your own car from scratch. So no. You know, people, I can't buy any mirrors from eBay for $3 or €5 or I don't care about. I put them on my own scratch build hot rod. So, mini hot rod. So, I built my own mirrors, man. Yeah. And as you see here, we have our main switch for the whole car. Here's the main lights. This will be something else. Yeah, the fan. This will be the fan, the cooling fan. Maybe it will go through a relay or something, I don't know, because the motor is pretty stronger than a smaller motor. And this one is the inside light. When you put the turn signal, so you have to turn it to switch that off. You don't have to turn on the key, you know, just to have another control that goes directly to the battery. So here turn signals. This works for the left one and the right one. Yeah. And what else? This chrome thing foil didn't work. Maybe later I will try to redo it or something, you know. So turn off the switch. What else to mention? I don't know. Yeah, today is Friday, and through this weekend I'm gonna try to make something better. Yeah, so see you soon. See you tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow. And yeah, here are my mirrors again. Yeah, I love them. Pretty cool. Can see me out there? Yeah. Hot rod, baby. Build your own cars and build your own mirrors and build your own fan and build your own everything. That's how it works here. Everything built from scratch. Yeah. Stay tuned!